I'm going to take you on a journey and show you how easy it is to create volume and texture with a very polished and high sheen finish. So in today's tutorial, we are going to recreate the Suki Waterhouse red carpet look. I'm going to dampen the hair down with the enhancing water, which creates the base for me to apply the Cosmic blow-dry jelly. I'm going to work the Cosmic blow-dry jelly from the roots to the mid-lengths and the ends. I'm now going to add a layer of amplifying mousse. This is going to build up the layers of the products for maximum hold, and it's really going to help when I brush out the hair later. Now I'm going to activate the products by using my round brush to blow dry everything in for maximum shine. What I want to try and do is keep some of this authentic, original texture that's already in the internal parts of the hair, but we're going to focus on getting in just a little bit of finish on the ends, bringing the hair back, blow drying with our brush for maximum absorption of the product. So we blow dried everything up around the perimeter. I'm going to start tonguing on the back area. What I'm mindful to do is to bring up the roots of both of the front sections and pin that up and out the way. That's going to allow the hair to cool, and it's going to help create and build the layers of this volume that we're going to finish with. We're going to be working with our tongue. You want to take a section which is a similar thickness to the barrel of your tongue. We're going to use our working hairspray. We're going to give it a light mist. I like to then come in and focus on the ends. It's going to give me that subtle hold. It's going to help everything when I brush this out. And it's also got heat protection up to 230 degrees. I bring the hair straight out from the head, and the barrel of my tongue is horizontal, mirroring the section. I come in at the root as close as I can without burning my model. I then rotate the tongue, and I keep everything as close to the base as possible. That is going to heat everything up in that area, reactivating, working the product, and helping me later on when I use the backcombing to create the volume. When I'm ready to take the tongue out, I put my comb in and connect with the head and slide out my tongue. Our tongue set. You may notice that it's a little bit irregular and my rolls are a little bit softer. Now, if you were to roll this and everything was extremely uniform, really technical and precise, that's going to lean more into like a vintage or 1920s. It's going to have a lot more structure. This look is about creating volume, having a little bit of movement, but nothing too fixed or rigid. Once my rolls are cool, I'm going to take the silver clips out and we're going to start the next part of the process. I like to take the hair in different directions, and that will really help the hair start to all come and piece together and start to lock in the shape and the look. Now I'm going to use the airy texture spray. This is going to help me when I start to backcomb the hair to create a lightweight volume. As I get closer to the top and the area that's going to be seen, I'm conscious to pull back a little bit on the intensity of my backcombing. It's going to help again when we brush out to give this soft, beautiful finish. How wild is this? Look at the volume we've created by mixing our products and layering backcombing and a little bit of tonging. Now this is a little bit too much for myself and for Suki, so I'm going to show you how we finish and brush this out. One final little step or request from Suki was that we actually put a little split in the front of the fringe. I'm going to again take the working hairspray, I'm going to apply it to the end of my brush, and I'm just going to bring the product, making sure I'm focusing on the root area first. This is where we need to be conscious of refining the look and bringing everything a little bit calmer. Right at the end, we're going to use mine and Suki's favourite product, Glow Spray Serum. It really helps enhance the colour and add the ultimate shine. And here it is, the finished red carpet look for Suki Waterhouse that we created as part of the Authentic Beauty Concept global campaign. We start by using the enhancing water, the cosmic blow-dry jelly, amplify mousse, working hairspray, airy texture spray, and we finish with the Glow Spray Serum. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos coming very soon.